Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add variations on your Etsy website. So first of all, of course, all you need to do, just go and open the browser that you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. So of course, here in my case, I'm actually using Brave, but of course, in your case, you can use any other browser, could be possibly working for you. Once you open your browser, just go here to the URL section and type etsy.com and hit the enter button. That will take you into this page. And if you are logged in into your account, you'll find a welcome back sentence here with this home page. And of course, if you are not logged in into your account, you'll find at the top right corner sign in option. If instead of those icons, click on it and you'll be able to log in into your account if you have one, or to create your account if you don't have one. Of course, you will even be able to do this both options with your Facebook account, Google account, or even an Apple account. It will be much faster and it will prevent you from going through all the boring steps of creating or logging in into your account. Of course, once you did one of those two options, you will find yourself, as we said, here in this home page or in this main page with the welcome back sentence right here. Once you are here, and as we said in the beginning of the video, you would like to add variations to Etsy websites. So of course, you will need to go to your shop manager at the top right corner shop icon, click on it. When you will find yourself here at this page, you would like to go and click at the listing here at the left. Just go and click on it, and here you'll find your items or your listing or even your variations. So of course you can add a new one by clicking at add a listing at the top right corner. Of course I cannot click at that at the moment because my account is suspended, but of course I'm going to show you what's gonna appear to you. This is gonna appear to you. Of course you can add whatever you want here, and you will have to add whatever mandatory or necessary. You will recognize that by this star icon. Of course, when you finish, you will find the publish option at the bottom right corner instead of the save or preview, and you will be actually good to go when you click on it. So that will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.